job I did before, while there was a lot of money to be made, was a lot of stress. A decision that I might make might involve several $1 million. I wouldn't know if that was the right decision for 4, 5, 6 months down the road. What I get now is I know in 10 seconds if I'm on track.
How do you tell your children that you're choosing a service job over an executive career? In 1980, Paul Paz walked away from the corporate world and fell straight into the ultimate ego trap. But while his peers saw a disappointment, his child saw a hero, documenting Paul's journey in a 4th grade essay titled The Waiter Artist. That one essay didn't just save his confidence, it redefined his life. Today, the man featured on 2020 and the Wall Street Journal joins us to prove that leadership starts at the table. We're letting go of what everyone else thinks and cooking a dish born from a father's heart. 3 Hangry Kids.
I find waiting tables is like being a conductor of an orchestra. The only difference is with every table is a different tune, it's a different melody, it's a different beat, and you have to be able to orchestrate each one of those to their beat, not yours, but their beat.
Okay, please welcome to the show, Paul Paz. Oh,
Hello, sir. Thank you for having me.
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much for coming.